Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your TikTok account's password. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. So, to change your TikTok account's password, firstly, open your TikTok application. Click on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen and tap on Settings and Privacy. Press on the account option and then select Password right below the account information. The verification code will be sent to your email associated with your TikTok account. Enter your 6-digit verification code and it will take you to the page where you can change your password. Enter your new password. Make sure that your password must have at least 8 characters, a letter, a number with one special character in it. After you enter your new password, click on Next. This is how you can change your TikTok account's password quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.